In order to generate an ingesys automation software package with IASP generator tool, there are two requisites. Boot project creation in Codesys. Project panels compilation in Panel Designer, which is Ingeteam's tool for developing web panels. Create boot project must be done offline. It is necessary to build the application before creating the boot project. It is necessary another create boot project if the application changes. In order to include web panels in the IASP, it is necessary to compile all project panels. Once IASP generator tool is opened, it is necessary to select the device. First, base firmware is selected. The IASP must be named. It must be selected an output path for the IASP. In case it is needed, it is selected a comparison file of previous IASP versions. It is selected the Codesys application project. They are selected the configuration files to add. They are selected the web panels to add. It is necessary to select the folder panels within the project folder. Once all desired configuration files are selected, it is necessary to click on Generate IASP button. In case it is selected a file for comparison, it will appear this information indicating what has changed from the last IASP. IASP is generated within the selected folder, and it's ready to upload it into the PLC.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.